Before developing a training plan, it's important to define the anticipated or desired learning outcomes. Bloom's taxonomy and Bloom's revised taxonomy are used in instructional design to organize learning outcomes and assess learner performance in meeting these criteria. Bloom's taxonomy describes a learning continuum from lower order thinking skills to higher order thinking skills. The levels from the original taxonomy that are relevant to pharmaceutical industry training are knowledge, comprehension, and application. The revised taxonomy updated these nouns to become the verbs remembering, understanding, and applying. Both versions describe a process in which learners must first remember a concept and then understand it before they can apply that concept in real-world situations. For each level of the taxonomy, development of learning outcomes is accomplished by using certain action verbs that describe how learners encounter and work with information. When training pharmaceutical sales representatives, action verbs characterize the training objectives and serve as a basis for assessing performance. For example, let's say we want our representatives to discuss the mechanism of action of product X with healthcare providers. Aligning with the learning continuum, the defined objectives for each learning level might be the following. State the chemical makeup of product X. Summarize how product X affects important biological pathways. Use the mechanism of action graphic in the sales aid to answer an HCP question about how product X works in the body. These learning objectives are attainable and measurable, and would allow a trainer to evaluate the success of the learner. Moreover, they define the learning process needed to elevate our representatives to where we want them to be.